Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend, and I'm here with one of the candidates of Binibining Pilipinas 2024, and she is representing Quezon City. I'm here with Christine.
Hi, good morning everyone.
And good morning sa ating mga viewers sa Pageant Trend. And I hope you are doing great. So, sa mga new pa lang sa aming Pageant Trend Facebook page, please don't forget to follow us here.
Yes.
And as well as subscribe us on our YouTube channel, Pageant Trend.
Down below.
Yes, of course. And ayon, so we are here now at Ever Bilena, and we're having an event for Binibini Pilipinas, which is the corporate visit of all the candidates sa Binibini Pilipinas. And kasama na rin syempre si Christine, di ba? Christine, kumusta ka naman?
Okay naman po, super nakakatuwa ang mga events namin because more bonding when by sisters.
Wow, bonggang-bongga. And I guess malapit na yung coronation night, di ba?
Yes, July 7.
Bonggang-bongga. Oo nga, malapit na din. So how was your journey here at Binibining Pilipinas?
Actually, it's a roller coaster ride. Totoo pala talaga siya, no? Na roller coaster ride pala siya of emotions. And for me, at talagang gusto kong pulutin na aral dito is more on the sisterhood. Most especially learn from our mistakes. And yun, more on inspiring sa mga kabataan. Kasi akala ko dati ang pageant is more on really focusing on winning the crown. But when I have fans na, I realized that being a beauty queen really inspires people. 'Di ba? Hindi lang siya about winning or anything. It's really how to inspire them and how to make a big impact for them.
Exactly, dear. Ayun, and aside from that, what have you learned from joining the national pageant?
There's a lot, but one thing on top of my mind is how to be a good person. Talaga. Kasi ang mga nakatingin sa atin ay yung younger generation eh. And if we want a better world to live in, we should be a good person first. So, ayun po. Ngayon, mas careful na ako sa mga actions ko, words, kasi may mga nakikinig. At most of the time, yung mga bata, they don't know what's right and wrong. They only follow us, they only copy what they see, what they hear. So, I hope, hindi lang mga beauty queens, but most of us will be more careful on what we do in life.
Oh, bongga. And what are the changes you had? Kasi syempre, you've joined Binibining Pilipinas, and as well as hindi lang naman ito yung sinalihan mong pageant. So, ano yung mga changes na nangyari sa'yo of joining the pageants?
Actually, changes, I think not severe changes naman, but more on improvements sa buhay ko. Because right now, as we all know, the Binibini Pilipinas schedule is very hectic. And I'm really having a hard time when it comes to managing my time. Pero ngayon, with Binibining Pilipinas, I've learned that you can never be ready for a situation until you're there. Kaya ngayon, naging ready na ako at naging mahusay na po ako mag-manage ng time ko because most of the time ang napapabayaan natin, we neglect ourselves. Wala tayong rest, which is bad. So, taking your time, slowing down, fast tracks you on your journey. So ayun, tayo magpahinga at mag-manage ng time.
Exactly. Kailangan din natin pahinga, di ba? O hindi lang basta work ng work.
Correct. Kaya nga, happy weekend last weekend. Diba? Kaya ngayon, good day Monday.
Yes, of course. Anyway, Christine, well, talking about the products of Ever Bilena, what's your favorite product, dear?
Actually, the lipsticks. Kasi, especially yung matte nila, para siyang international brand. Walang eme. Kasi pagkalapat mo, meron tayong international brand, diba? Na pagka nilapat mo siya, parang nagme-mentally, tapos nagiging amoy mabangong hininga ka. Ganon ang effect ng Ever Bilena without breaking the bank. So get your Ever Bilena lipstick now.
Wow, bonggang-bongga. Ako naman ang favorite ko is yung nila, yung face powder.
Talaga na.
Yes.
Bibigyan
oo.
kita. Hindi mo
Sige,
namin
mga-
pala isang kahon. Talaga na. Di ba maganda yung formulation niya?
Oh, yes.
And dito, talagang binibigyan tayo ng opportunity na to really support local products. Hindi dahil sa binigyan ka, but because you really love it. Ayun.
Exactly.
So, thank you, Ever Belena.
Yes, thank you so much, Ever Belena. And ayun, dear, nanonood ngayon yung mga family supporters mo. What's your message to them?
To each and every one of you, thank you so much. Nababasa ko po yung mga comments nyo. Nakikita ko yung mga shares nyo, likes nyo. Lahat po yan, nakikita ko. And hindi ako magkakaroon ng ganitong motivation without you guys. So please continue supporting me until the very end. Sa July 27, our coronation night at Araneta Center, Araneta City. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear, and best of luck.